What's up everyone? And welcome back to the channel because today, we are diving headfirst into a global crisis that just hit the automotive world like a freight train. This isn't just news, it's a game changer that could affect your wallet, your garage, and your future car purchase. You need to hear this. Hold on to your seats because the unthinkable has just happened. Germany's automotive powerhouses, we're talking about the Titans, the Legends, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, and Audi have just unleashed a bombshell. They formally halted every single shipment of their vehicles to the United States. Gone. Zip. Zero. Why? Because of newly elected US President Donald Trump's jaw-dropping announcement of broad tariffs on key trading partners. And folks, this isn't subtle. This is a direct, undeniable shot across the bow at the German auto industry. Trump promised to bring American manufacturing back, but it looks like he just ignited a full-blown international trade war, and Germany just fired the first massive retaliatory strike. Now, if you're one of the millions of Americans who love German-engineered excellence, maybe you're dreaming of that new BMW X5, that ultimate status symbol G-Wagon, the family-friendly Audi Q7, or the thrill-inducing VW Golf GTI. Get ready for a cold shower. This isn't just a delay, it's a freeze. US ports are already gridlocked, dealerships are in panic mode, and your dream car could be stuck indefinitely. But the impact? It's so much bigger than just your new ride. Analysts are screaming from the rooftops. This freeze is a direct threat to your wallet and the US economy. We're talking skyrocketing car costs across all brands, a massive restriction on vehicle supply, and prepare for it, severe job losses right here in the US. Think about all the sales, service, and support jobs that depend on these vehicles. This isn't just about imports, it's about our own backyard. Now you might be thinking, haven't we seen trade disputes before? Yes, but experts are warning the stakes here are astronomically higher. German automakers aren't just selling cars here, they've poured billions into US-based facilities in places like South Carolina and Alabama, creating American jobs. These aren't just foreign companies, they're integral parts of our own manufacturing landscape. Trump's new tariffs have pushed the cost of doing business to insane levels for them, forcing their hand. This isn't just a response, it's a desperate fight for survival from some of the biggest players in the global auto game. And the German government, they are fuming, accusing the Trump administration of reckless economic nationalism and warning of cataclysmic consequences for transatlantic relations. This isn't just about cars anymore, it's about the very fabric of global cooperation. This is a watershed moment, people. This is the beginning of what could be a devastating cycle of economic retaliation. The American car market is bracing for shortages, soaring prices, and an explosion of tensions with the entire European Union. The burning question is President Trump's tariff war truly worth these unimaginable consequences? Is the promise of bringing manufacturing back worth crippling our relationship with key allies and potentially skyrocketing prices for you, the consumer? This story is moving at lightning speed, and we are on top of every single development. You cannot afford to miss what happens next. So smash that like button if this information shocked you, hit subscribe right now, and ring that notification bell so you're the first to know as this global auto crisis unfolds. What do you think about this unprecedented move? Are you worried about what this means for your next car? Or do you believe Trump's tariffs are a necessary evil? Let's get the conversation going in the comments below. Your thoughts are crucial. Thanks for watching and stay tuned because the future of the global car industry just changed. Forever.